Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on applied visual design. We're going to learn how to add a box shadow to a card-like element. So we can see here in the browser with all this HTML and CSS, it creates a card, and we're going to see. And we can add a special box shadow to have a better effect than this. This looks very two-dimensional. And this box shadow effect makes it pops out more. So this pop shadow takes in many different values, 5 different values, or you can call as parameters for this. And basically it takes out offset X, how far to push the shadow horizontally for the element, offset Y, how far you push the shadow vertically from the element, the blur, how much blur, the spread, and the color. And it follows that order for the syntax of it. And we can see here that it follows that order. And these two are optional as well. So for this example, and also another aspect of it is that multiple box shadows can be created by using commas to separate properties for each box shadow element. So here we have a comma to separate the other one. So for this exercise, the element that now has an ID of thumbnail. With this selector, use the example CSS values above to place a box shadow on that card. So let's find the HTML ID thumbnail. And we can see it covers this div. Sorry, I mean to close. This covers this div of the card content, the H4, the paragraph, the links for them as well. So we can see here, we can just copy this ID, and now we go to the style. And since this is ID, we use hashtag, and then the name of the ID, curly brackets, and we can simply copy this and add it, and we're going to see what effect it has on it. And there you go, that's the box shadow. Now we can see that it pops out a little bit more. Thank you.